everyone. So, one of the things that my business offer as in the Your VA Mentor Academy is mentoring and coaching. So, we have different specialists here in our academy whom you could contact and book an appointment, um, and they will be able to guide you on what are the proper way or the best practices in a specific industry that you have chosen. So let's say you wanted to become a virtual assistant who loves to write and wants to become a copywriter or a content writer. So we have mentors. I call them mentors, or actually they are instructors who are well versed in this type of topics. So if you want to be guided on how you can start a career doing copywriting or content writing, for example, then you can book them and consult with them through our Your VA Mentor Academy Centro PH shop. So this is the link to our shop, centro.ph/shop/ Your VA Mentor. Now, if you will go here and browse about this particular website, this is actually a website for Filipinos kasi our Your VA Mentor website doesn't accept other payment methods. It's only here in Centro PH that you are able to settle your uh, charges or fees for your mentorship or coaching in different channels. Okay, I'll talk about that later. So in this Your VA Mentor Academy, which we have set up in centro.ph, you will be able to access and be able to book an appointment with your mentor. And there's about different um, mentorship programs that you can start. So click on the view products so you could see all of those products that I am going to mention. So we have this EVAM tribe. I call this EVAM tribe because it stands for Your VA Assistant Mentor. Your VA Mentor. Okay, Your VA Mentor tribe because it's a group. If you click on the details, if you view the details, it will tell you what you are going to enjoy once you have signed up and paid about 699 pesos only. So what you will get as an EVAM tribe is you will be an EVAM tribe member. That's one. And these are the exclusive benefits of an EVAM tribe member. One, partnership offer resources, meaning you will be given offerings, resources through various partners or affiliates that we have. It could be free resources, free videos, free additional trainings. Then you could have free educational and lifestyle online events. Okay? Meaning, as an EVAM tribe member, if you are already an EVAM tribe member, some of the courses we will be offering in our website can be free for you. If you are if you are not an EVAM tribe member, those particular online courses might be, access, but for a fee. But if you are an EVAM tribe member, you could access that for free. Sandali lang, bunso. Okay, okay, okay. O, di ba, may condition na agad yung anak ko. Anyway, so, moving forward. Also, as an EVAM tribe member, you will also be given access to a job board or opportunity board listing. Meaning, these are the jobs that you cannot see online. Kumbaga, they are being posted directly by our clients. Like, I have different clients, and my clients refer clients to me. So, if ever you wanted to start your career, then you could jump on and go to that job and opportunity board and access that job opportunity and apply to it. And if you are an EVAM tribe member, you also have a priority in getting those interviews or having your resume submitted to that particular client. Okay? Now, as an EVAM tribe member, You also gonna have free pass on selected workshop or courses. Like I've mentioned earlier, you have some of the courses that we might be offering for a paid amount will be free po sa inyo. Hindi nyo kailangan magbayad. So, yun yung isa sa mga benefits ng EVAM Tribe member. But of course, those are selected courses lang. Okay? Now, this particular EVAM Tribe membership is good for 3 months. So, if you are an EVAM Tribe member, for 3 months, you can access all of this information, all of this opportunity, job ads, free access to workshops, all of those accessible sa inyo within 3 months. So, every after 3 months, and you still want to be a member of EVAM Tribe and enjoy these benefits, then I suggest you go here and add this membership into your cart and then pay via the payment channel that you have selected. Okay, so what else? I'll just go back to the products. So I'll show you later what are the different ways on how you could also settle your accounts. So in the quick starter naman, this is worth 1,999. The reason being is because this is a one-on-one, a focus group mentorship, meaning only 3 participants per group is able to access this quick starter program. This quick starter program is good for 7 days. It's a mentorship program. When we say kasi po mentorship, gag-guide kayo step by step. You can ask any question that you wanted to ask, and then your mentor will be guiding you on how to do that specific on how to resolve the specific issue you are encountering. Let's say you are encountering some issues on applying in Upwork or in Fiverr or in freelancer.com. Then your mentor will give you guide and will give you tips on um, how can you successfully get that particular client or that particular job. Okay? For 7 days, consisting of a maximum of 5 hours. A total of 5 hours in that 7 days. So, it could be just 30 minutes. It could be 1 hour. Pero yung total noon within that 7 days is 5 hours. A total of 5 hours. So, there will be 3 participants and you will be asking question to your mentor. And your mentor will be, of course, giving you example, going into that platform himself or herself, and then ituturo talaga sa inyo right there and there, okay ito kiklik ninyo, ito sasabihin ninyo, itong gagawin ninyo pag ganyan yung mga na-encounter ninyo. So, that's the quick starter program. So, focus group kayo dyan. And you will be given opportunity as well to upskill. So, bibigyan kayo ng career guide ni mentor ninyo. Okay, ikaw, gusto mo maging social media manager. This is the kind of courses and resources that you needed to access. This is the kind of platform and tools that you need to have. Yan yung mga ibibigay ni mentor ninyo. Ang mentors namin dito, iba-iba, depending po sa niche na napili ninyo. If you need someone magaling sa social media, we have a social media mentor. If you need someone who is magaling in SEO, we have an SEO mentor. And if you need someone who is magaling in website designing, we also have that. So, almost every niche that you can think of, meron po kami. And we have mentors who could support you in that particular avenue of your career. Okay, so that's the quick starter program. Now, we also have the accelerator program. This is worth 3,499. The accelerator program naman, one-on-one. Okay, one-on-one. Ikaw lang sa kayong mentor. And you are given 30 days private one-on-one session for a total of 5 hours. So, yung actually sa isang oras po, ang dami nyo nang mapag-uusapan ng mentor nyo. Kaya siya sinabing 30 days kasi para hindi kayo nagmamadali. Let's say, ngayong araw na to, may certain topics lang kayong gusto nyong pag-usapan and umabot siya ng 1 hour. Eh, yung susunod na mga tanong ninyo, maiisip nyo pa siya after 2 weeks. So, yung second week na yon, pwede kayong magtanong pa doon. Basta within the 30 days from the day na nag-purchase kayo nitong program nito, pwede nyo siyang i-access yung si mentor. Okay? So, I would suggest if you are someone na talagang nangangapa in, let's say, online, even yung paggamit ng laptop, paggamit ng PC, anong i-click dyan online, saan pupuntang website, anong ibig sabihin ng website, anong ibig sabihin ng URL. Pag yung talagang zero knowledge kayo on anything about digital or internet, then this is a very good mentorship program for you. Kasi one-on-one yan. Hindi kayo mahihiyang magtanong kasi kayong dalawa lang ni mentor ang nandyan. So that's why we have that particular program. And it's good for 30 days. Within 30 days, pwede nyo tanungin si mentor ninyo so long as yung sessions ninyo is hindi lalagpas ng 5 hours. Meaning, total na po yon for the whole 30 days. So, po pwede kasi yung conversation nyo na umabot lang ng 20 minutes. So, may 4 and 40 minutes ka pa, di ba? Yung 4 hours and 40 minutes mo, pwede mo siyang i-avail sa mga susunod na araw. Kung kailan mo kailangan talaga si mentor. Kaya, mas ma-optimize mo yung tanong mo kay mentor kasi as you go and do your task, for example, and encounter mo yung ganong issue sa trabaho, then right then and there, pwede mo kontakin si mentor. Sabi, mentor, meron akong problema. Itong client ko, nangangailangan ito, ganito, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi ako marunong gumawa. Paano ko siya gagawin? Okay, sige, book mo ko na appointment. Nandun pa naman, within the 5-hour limit pa rin naman tayo. So, sige, usap tayo about that. Yun po yung accelerator na program. So that's our accelerator program. Now, the other products that you will see in our Centro PH would be yung if you would want only 30 minutes na session with your mentors, then we have that 30 minutes mentorship. If tingin nyo 1 hour, you need to talk to him or her within 1 hour, then we have the 60-minute mentorship session. Then, also advisable for those who have begun the social media for beginners, the next step for you to do is to access this social media masterclass. Okay? This is a very, very more comprehensive class. Pero, I suggest na mag-research muna kayo, let's say, ng trabaho, and then, make yourself familiar first. Practice muna ng pag-create ng account, pag-create ng mga, yung explore nyo muna yung social media. Pagka na-explore nyo na and you get the feeling of how social media works, medyo may mga ilang spots pa kayo na you think you're not very much aware, then this is the next step for you, social media masterclass. This is very, very good na pang-augment or pang-kasunod noong social media management for beginners. Okay? So that's the link, centro.ph/shop/yourvamentors/products. Okay?